This is a page, a blank page. Starting from today, I'm going to add something to this page. Anything that would come to my mind. I don't really know. We both will see. It could be anything from a few words to a small sketch or maybe a smiling face. So we would get back once we completely fill this page. Sounds good? Let's do this. So what does this mean? We started off with pretty much nothing. But you know what we have over here? This is a map. No, seriously. It shows where I was, at least mentally. It shows where my thoughts were. And you know what? A map does not only show where you were, it also shows where you could go and where you should go. So, what will it be for you if I give you a pen and a paper? With me?